So a lot of you guys probably know what this is. It's a 30-40-year-old Mercedes key. And I had to go buy myself another shit box. Couldn't help myself. Here it is. 1990 560 SEC. Complete with rep China wheels. Damaged clear coat. A little bit of rust on that one rear fender. Bent lower control arm here. Salvage title. And actually, this is, believe it or not, the only and actual bad part of the car is this rear fender flare here. Otherwise, it is in fantastic, solid condition. I just got it parked over at my buddy's house right now. Getting some roommate at my house, fixing the trailer, yada yada. So as we can see here, all the trim is actually in good shape. Obviously, damaged clear coat here. One of the guide rails is broken, so that's why I had to tape it all up here. Keep the rain out. And this is a one-piece arm with the knuckle assembly here, so they're expensive and a little hard to find, so that'll be a little fun. A little bit of condensation built up in the what do you call them things? Tail lights. Otherwise, pretty good. And like I said, the underbody is actually in fantastic condition. Let's see if we can show you a little bit here. Looks really nice. The motor may be locked up. I don't know if it's just the starter Bendix that's stuck on it. I haven't been able to get a wrench on it to try barring it over by hand. Pull the plugs out, squirt some Marvel Mystery Oil down there, some ATF or whatever, see if maybe it's the rings that are stuck up or something. Try getting it going. But otherwise, beautiful S-Class coupe, pillarless B. Lack of B pillar over here, so all these windows go down. Fairly decent condition inside, considering everything. 168,000 miles. This is about the only wear spot on here. If anyone knows if this kind of leather failure can be treated, please let me know, because I would love to just repair these seats rather than having to replace them. I like to try to keep it original here, even though I'm going to repaint it a non-original color for this exact thing. Probably just going to go with a nice black. I got the burl wood, a little bit of crack here. This is probably about the worst, this dash trim. It's actually completely failed on this side and delaminated, but on eBay I found them for about $120 for the complete dash kit. This has to get removed. We got to get rid of this cheap JVC single din here. It's like a 1.5 din. Smells like a beautiful W126 Mercedes. Rear seats are in fabulous condition. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, these are the pneumatic headrests. Correct me if I'm wrong. I don't know if this is factory. These are all pinned up here. A little bit of sag in the headliner, nothing major. There's a little bit of water intrusion here just from the window before, but the carpets, everything, the underfloor, underbody. Let's pull this up. Really in fantastic condition. There's no water in here. That's the first thing I checked when I saw that window down on both sides. This is very dry. Very solid otherwise. And mechanically, I'm not concerned with it. Here, let's pop the hood. As worst case, I'll just put a donor engine in from a 560 SEL. Just do have the 2 latches on both sides. So look at that, the strut towers are in really great condition. Probably original 1985.4 brake fluid. It looks like molasses. Still has low viscosity, but it's all black. This is a KE Jetronic fuel injection, mechanical fuel injection. That'll be fun to get going too once I can get it barred over and cranked. Again, this is a Michigan car, and it's really in good condition, like everything. Just some slight surface rust here. Again, there's nothing major going on anywhere. Even, all the exhaust manifold bolts and the exhaust manifolds themselves look okay. dead battery. I was able to get power to it with a jump pack, so you know the system does come online, so it's not like a big fusible link that's busted or anything. A little bit of surface corrosion on here. I guess for underbody, I'm not going to get under right now and show you, but the underbody, the worst part is the exhaust. You know, all the flanges and everything, quite a bit of scaling on it. So we could rebuild the exhaust, you know, keep the cats on it and everything. Otherwise, it's really nice. You know, all these bumpers, really nice condition. And like I said, it's a 90, so I believe the 90, 91 are the most desirable years. And we'll be doing the body work here. So this is the outer, and it's also affecting the inner fender a little bit here. But we'll cut that out, profile, and you know, dual layer fender. I know the sedan and coupe flares are a little bit different, but it might be easier if I just cut out from a sedan just a little section, try to graft it in, you know, get a 90% profiled on a wheel and with a hammer and a sack, and then the rest just, you know, the final shape, either some short strand fiberglass or some body filler. I mean, obviously you're gonna need body filler to smooth any kind of weld work. Like I said, bent trailing arm, China wheels. So I'm looking for some AMG Pentas to put on it. Otherwise, it's in really great condition. So stay tuned. Like I said, I'll be doing full body paint on it, sand everything down, high build primer, block it, 2-stage. Let me know if I should keep it original 2-tone or if I should go with the nice dark black, gloss black 2-stage. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.